The Mississippi State Bulldogs baseball team is the varsity intercollegiate baseball team representing Mississippi State University in NCAA Division I college baseball. The program is a member of the West Division of the Southeastern Conference. The current head coach is Chris Lemonis, who replaced interim head coach Gary Henderson. They have appeared in the College World Series 12 times, winning their first national championship in their most recent appearance in 2021. Mississippi State has won 11 SEC championships in 1948, 1949, 1965, 1966, 1970, 1971, 1979, 1985, 1987, 1989, and 2016. The first 6 were won in a playoff series. Since the formation of the SEC tournament in 1977, the Bulldogs have won it 7 times, in 1979, 1985, 1987, 1990, 2001, 2005, and 2012. The 7 tournament championships and 6 playoff championships are a total of 13 SEC postseason championships, the most of any school. Prior to the formation of the SEC, the program won the Southern Intercollegiate Athletic Association Championship in 1909, 1911, 1918, 1921, and 1922 as well as the Southern Conference title in 1924. The program has also appeared in 34 NCAA regionals and 13 College World Series. On June 30, 2021, the Mississippi State Bulldogs defeated Vanderbilt with a score of 9-0 to secure their first national championship in school history. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.